Hello everyone, I'm Andrew with JC Termite Control, and today I'm here to answer another frequently asked question. So the question I'm going to be answering today is, how many holes does my pest control technician have to drill when treating for subterranean termites? So normally per the labels, it's going to be one hole per every foot. The hole is going to be about 1/2 inch to 5/8 depending on the pesticide that you're using and the injection tip. But yeah, overall usually it's going to be one hole per linear foot of the area that needs to be treated. Hope that answers that question. If you do have any more questions or any comments, please do leave them in the comment box below, and I'll make sure to address them in a future video. If you do have any problems like with subterranean termites, you can always give us a call, 619-421-2101. We service the entire San Diego area. Thank you. Have a great day.